Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now here I am in the crafters section in one of the Dollar Trees near my home. So let me go ahead and show you what they have, at least in this store. So remember, I show these things to you in detail so that you can see what they're carrying. So here you have these metallic pony beads, you have the gold, you have the silver, the multicolor, and these are like I don't know what you call these, metallic. Then you have these. So these are just the regular beads. So these are the metallic. Then you have the alphabet beads. Then here you have the glass beads, guys, and these do come in colors. Right now I'm only seeing them in that color. Then here's your tube confetti. I love working with these. I didn't used to, but now I work with these and I think they're so nice. So here's the three metals. Here I like that one. Here are the three colors. I like that peridot color. Now here, I never seen this. These are called foam stickers. So I guess they come in different shapes. Somebody stuck that in the wrong place. But you have the gems. These are the hearts in that peridot color. These are the ovals in that pink. The round ones in that beautiful blue. Here are the square beads, and here are the beads and the different colors. Then you have the pearls, and you have the sequins right here, which come in colors. So you have these colors, and mind you, behind back here you might have them, but they look sorted out very nicely. Here are the googly eyes, and here is the baker's twine. Now you have these gemstone designs. So these are the flowers. I don't know if you could see that. Then here are the butterflies. Then here's the glitter. They come in different colors and in packets. Here are the clothespins. Those are the smaller ones. And then these are the bigger ones, the medium ones. Here's the spray bottles. And these are glass beads. Here are these containers here. You can sort these beads out probably. Here's the squeeze applicator bottles and the spray, as I showed you. Now here you have the storage containers. It's the medium and here is the small. Then you have the organization box right here. These are the glass bottles. Okay, that's the taller one. This is the medium one. And then these are the little teeny tiny ones. Here is the roller cutter. And then this is washi tape. Okay, here's the magnetic buttons. And this is fabric paints, liquid adhesive. Now down here we have the fat quarters. These are really nice. Okay, and then they also have these in the felt. The felt is nice. Then along the bottom you have that vinyl that you can use in the Cricut machine. They have it all along the bottom here. You have these beads, the faux snow. Here's the jute twine. They have these a lot more now, these retractable holders. So, and then you have the cork adhesive. Here you have the small pack of the glue sticks and a little bit of glitter. Here you have some paints, the two black, and here's some tacky glue. So what are these? This is poster paint. Okay, that's poster paint, and I like these packets of these sponge brushes because I use those. Here's the elastic band in red. There it is in pink. And here are the felt numbers in royal blue. And these fasteners here are the Velcro tape. Here is the adhesive dots. Right here, and look, the double-sided tape. And you have some more here. Now here's the finger protectors. Then you have the scrapers. These come in handy if you have a Cricut, or just if you ever just want to lay stuff down with that vinyl. Here's the tie-dye. Here's the spatula, and here is the embossing tool. Here's the piercing and scoring. And then these are the detailing scissors. These are just scraps of fabric. Then here are the little clamps. you have the feathers, and here's the chenille stems. Here is the pom-poms. Okay, then here is some glitter glue and chalkboard tags. So here's the heart, here is the flower. I don't know if you could see that with the glare. Here's the tag shape, and then these are the chalkboard tag clothespins. I like this shape right here. Then these are the pens, the chalk writers, and they come in colors. Here you have the paint brushes. You have the chunky brush, and you have the foam, and here is, these brushes are very good. Then you have these with the metal. These are like the stenciling brush. And here's the sponge dabbers. Here's just scrap paper. What is this? Insert cards. Sorry. Okay, here's the brush organizer, and then here's an apron. And this is a stencil wheel. So they have different kinds of those. And then this here, what do they call this? The paint set. And then what are these? Decorative cardstock. Then this, okay, this for the paint brushes. And here's some whiteout and post-it notes, some Sharpies, and some more cardstock. Here is crafting glue. Then you have all of the paints here, guys. We have so much paint. Here's some more brushes. And then we have some of these. You're cutting small items for the Cricut adhesive cutting mat. Okay, and then this is washi tape. And look at how beautiful those colors are. You have some canvases, and here you have the canvas in black and the flat canvas over there. Then these are the colors that they have. And now we get into the wood section here. So I'm just going to scan that down for you. Absolutely beautiful items, guys. So they have this shape. It's a nice thickness. They have the easel boards. These are so good to put on wedding tables. Here are the shapes. I love the round one. These are nice too. Oh look, I never seen these. These are the wooden flower pots. Here's the dog. The black beads. So that's pretty nice. Over here you have the stickers, the decorative stickers. They have the bee right there. They have the flexible stencil right there, the rub-on stickers right here. Here's the black dots. I love these. These embellishment stickers are so nice. Here's the dogs. Some more of the rhinestones. I really like those. Let's see. Very nice. Now behind me, I know they have some more. Let's see. So they have some more stuff over here, guys. So you have some wooden planks, some of the crates. They have a lot of nice stuff. Here's the laser cut wood. So it's really nice. These are the bigger sponges, some more of the vinyl. And then they have these type of things. This is farmhouse. And then these are ceramic. Guys, these make nice ornaments to give off for Christmas. If you have a Cricut, that's an inexpensive way to give a really beautiful gift. Then you have your decorative beads. Here they are in black. That's my favorite. And look at this. I never seen these. The feather. That's very pretty. I think, yeah, that's yeah, and here are the black ones. So they have brown and black, and those, and look at this one is white. That's very nice. Then they have the galvanized metal. This is the first time I've seen it in this rose gold. And then this is a cow. So that shape is new. Then they have the heart shape wire, and then they have the bike wheel. Guys, they have some beautiful things out right now. Here is the reindeer moss. Here is the tube. What is that? The mesh tubing. and some ribbons. And here is the burlap trim. Here is, oh look, they have a new shaped vase at the Dollar Tree. So you have the pearl wrap. Look at this, that's a sloth. Here's a decor mesh. Oh, look at these, the cotton pods, the nautical rope. Here it is in white. The wreath forms are coming in silver. Sorry.
It's all right.
Okay, you have the wreath hangers there in colors. Here's some more nautical rope, and here are some more vases. This purple vase is really nice. I think I like this vase. Let me grab one of these. And then you have some of the candles and all of your decorative beads, including the sea beads, the crushed glass, the seashells, and the fans. And there is the styrofoam. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough at the Dollar Tree in their crafters section. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.